In this video, we are going to see how to make your recording better in Audacity. So you recorded a audio in Audacity or anywhere and then you want to make it better. You can make your sound better in Audacity just following some simple steps. So I am going to show you these steps in ShortCut. And if you want to know the details of these effects, then I have another video made where I discussed in details of why to apply these effects and how to configure them. But in this video, I'll keep it short and I'll just show you the process. If you copy this exact method, you will also get a better sound. So what you see in this video, please practice and you will see that your recording is improving much. The first thing I'll do, I'll make a duplicate of this recording. I'll press Command D or Control D to make a duplicate, and later I will compare between the original and the duplicate sound. I'll improve the top track and the bottom one is original. Let's listen to it a bit before applying any processing, how it is sounding. Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software, and I recommend to use Audacity as a early software. I recommend. So you get an idea how it is sounding, and now I'll improve the top track. The first step will be to apply a normalize effect. I'll select everything inside it and go to the effect normalize. I'll set the peak amplitude to -3 and apply this. The next step will be to apply a noise reduction. To apply noise reduction, select a part where you have not talked or a noise only part, and then go to effect and then go to noise reduction. First click on the get noise profile button. Then select everything inside the track and go to the noise removal effect again. Then keep these settings to 9, 6 and 6. That means the noise reduction will be 9, sensitivity will be 6 and frequency smoothing bands will be 6. Then click OK. Now the noise reduction is done, and now we'll do the third step where you will apply a compressor effect. Go to the effect and compressor. Compressor is inside volume and compression. Click on the compressor. I will get back to the default settings and from there I will make some changes so you will understand actually what I am changing. First you have to uncheck this makeup gain checkbox and check the compress based on peaks. It is very important that you click on the compress based on the peaks and then set the ratio to 2.56, 2.7, something like that, and click on apply. The audio is actually much improved than before, but we need to take care of the loudness of the audio. So I'll go to the effect and normalize effect again. This time you also need to normalize to -3 dB peak. Now this audio is processed and it is actually much better than the original one. If you listen to the audio, then you will understand the difference. First I'll play the improved one. Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software, and I recommend. And now the original one. Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software, and I recommend to use Audacity. Now I'll switch between the original and the improved recording, and I recommend to use Audacity as a early software. I recommend using Audacity as the first software. If you are new to audio editing and recording, I recommend using Audacity. Though Audacity may not be stable as other paid audio editing software, but it is a good software to start with. I think now you have got an idea how a simple processing can make the sound better. So follow this process to make your sound better, and if you want to know in detail, then I have a details video of explaining all the effects and why I have configured in such a way. I'll put a link in the description. Thank you for watching.